Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel KGFL Creations. Today I have another Think Pink box. It arrived this week. It's been sitting in the living room for about I would say 4 days. I did not have time to open it and to record a video, so today I'm doing that. I'm so happy to receive this box. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones, and I can feel it's smushed already. I can feel it right here. It's a little bit smushed, so something happened in the mail. Now let's open this box. Wow, it's different from the other ones. Huh. I don't know if the light's going to. Think Pink subscription box, Beyond the Pink Door. It's different. It's a different composition of box. I prefer the other one. The other one was prettier, but yeah, this box is smushed right here, right there. It's all like smushed. Now let's open here. It says live, laugh, sew. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, it's a pink wrapping, and it has these little things here, I guess for shipping. I was watching one of Andrea's videos, and she asked if anybody wanted to send photos of our last makes. So I sent her 3 photos. And I know that she had put at least one of my photos. I don't know if there's more than one, because Peggy from Bespoke Ability Sewing, she sent me a message on one of the comments that I put in one of her videos. She said that she saw one of my makes and it was so pretty. And I told her that I did not watch any of the videos and I had not even opened my box. So I had no idea what is it that she was talking about. So I know at least there's one of my photos in this little magazine that she puts out with every box. So I want to see which one it is. So let's take a look at this. It's a lot of coloring. It's very pretty. This little thing here. And it said, okay, so this is Sewscription box number 27. It contains 2.5 meters of fabric and there are 3 colorways. Okay, I am going to go and scan. After I open and after I check the items of the box, I'm going to go and check and see which photo she has of me in that in the little magazine. So okay, now let's open this. Just gonna open it wide because there's no way of just trying a little bit. Ooh, this is an indication of the color that I got. Green thread. All right. This is the Poundbury wax melt. Okay, the Rhubarb Candle Company. Huh, interesting. The Rhubarb Candle Company. Let's see the smell of this. It smells really good. I like it. It's a wax melt. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my my wax. Interesting, very interesting. I like the smell of this. What else do I have in here? Oh, here it has a little card from the Rhubarb. Oh, I don't think you can see any of that. Well, it's the Rhubarb Candle Company, Eco Soy Candles, Perfumes, Wax Melts, and Home Fragrances. And it has the website is www.hubbardcandlecompany.co.uk. The Poundbury Wax Melt, floral notes of magnolia, violet, and rose with the heart of orris root and fragrant woods. Interesting. And there's an exclusive 10% off first order with the code that it's given here. Oh, nice. This is very, very interesting. A little wax melt. Oh, universal needles. 6 pieces of these needles here. It's a brand that I have never seen before, Hemline. I have never seen here in the US. I don't know if we have this this brand, but it is a 70/10. So it's a pretty fine needle. Okay, good to have some extra needles to sew. Now let's take a look at this. Right, oh, a little lollipop. I might just give this to my daughter because I don't like lollipops. Lollipop is not my thing. I don't like candy that much. Candy is not my thing. I don't like candy, I don't like gum, any of that stuff I don't like. So I'll just give it to her, maybe my husband if he wants it. One of them can fight for it. It's okay. Now let's dig into the box. Wow. Wow. Look at this. What a color. Isn't this something? I'm already going like this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I am going to say. This is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. This feels like viscose. Yeah, it does feel like a viscose. It is very, very drapey. Very drapey. But I think it's kind of see-through. Let's see. Let's see if I can see the camera. A little bit. Not really, but very, very drapey fabric. Nice and soft. Let's see what the edges say. Okay, fabrics for your creativity. I received one already with this. Wow, it's very, very light and soft. This is really, really pretty. Take off my glasses so there's not a lot of glare on my glasses. Wow. Now I'm going to go and show it to my daughter and also check the online magazine and see what kind of fabric this is and any of ideas on what to do with this fabric. I'll be right back. I am back after I went and I did show this fabric to my daughter and her words were, wow, that is bright. Yes, it is bright. It is very summery, I would say. And I like it. I did show it to my husband. He said that it was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The only thing now is what I'm gonna do with this. And I wanna sew it soon because summer is arriving and this is such a nice and lovely fabric. So I do want to make something. Not sure if I'll make a dress out of it, maybe a skirt or something. I am not sure. Please give me some ideas in the comments below. All right, give me some ideas. I did go online to the ebook and I did see the picture that Andrea put of me. It was the dress, my Rhapsody dress that I made from the October box. And there's another picture. I had 2 pictures in there, 2 photos in there. My Harper cardigan from the December box, the blue rib knit. Yeah, she did put that one in there. And I did see Peggy. Peggy, I did see you in there. You didn't make the cut for the ebook. Your blouse is really, 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 really pretty. I am happy with my fabric. Let's put it again. Yeah, my daughter did say that this color suits me. So now it's just making a decision. I did see, wow, on the ebook, the video, Ruan from the Yorkshire Sew Girl, that's her channel. She made a beautiful dress, beautiful, beautiful. And she had this colorway. Yes, she had this colorway, and it looked so pretty on her. Wow, that was a really, really pretty dress. I was impressed. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just sharing my box, because I didn't do a opening. No, I did do an opening last month. It was the previous month that I didn't do an opening. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.